Hey gang, how are you doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back. I hope everyone is doing a-okay. If you are new to my channel, my name is Juliana. You can call me Juli. And I would like to invite you to please come join the gang. In today's video, we're going to cover the Boxyluxe unboxing and we're going to do try-on as well. Of course, as always, all the information of Boxyluxe and Boxycharm will be detailed in the description down below. So without further delay, let's dive into it. Okay, first up, this is the Cover FX Perfector Face palette. It consists of 6 colors in this palette. This is very essential when you travel and you have everything in this palette. You have your blush, your contour, your bronzer. You have 2 different highlighters. You have your finishing powder or aka skin brightener. Among this color, this is what I love. It really brightens my under eye. I love the bronzer too. Everything in this palette is a winner. Retail price for this is $45. Next up, we have the Moda brushes. You know what? The logo is very familiar to me. If you know Royal and Langnickel makeup brushes, you would notice the name. They have high quality. These 2 here is very ideal for bronzer and highlight. Retail price for this is $29. Next up, we have the iconic London. This is the brow cushion. When I was using this earlier, I say that it is a very pigmented. It's a 2-tone cushion brow palette. I have to be honest, I'm not a fan of this brow cushion. I still have to get used to this, but when it comes to pigment, it is very pigmented. So far, my brow doesn't move. This one here retailed for $40. Next up, we have Wonder Beauty Lift Up Purifying and a Brightening Peel Off Mask. This one contains acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extract, which is very good on your skin. However, earlier when I put it on my skin before applying my makeup, it was good. There's a lifting effect. When I peel off the mask, it gives me a very dry, I don't know, for some reason, probably it's just my skin. I will still play around with this. You know, I love everything about masks. So I suggest that if you have an oily skin, go for it. Combo probably is okay, but if you have a dry skin, I would stay away from this. This one retail for $34. Next up, we have Lily lashes. If you love lashes, faux, mink lashes, everything about lashes, you would love this one here. This one, we have Gaia lashes. This is an exclusive faux minx Gaia lashes, and this one here retail for $24.99. This is my first Lily lashes. I don't buy high-end lashes. For me, after 5-7 uses, you're gonna toss it. So as if I'm tossing $24. So this one, I am so thankful that I got this in my box for March, and I'm going to save this for a special event. Okay, next up, we have It Cosmetics in our box. And I think last month I had It Cosmetic as well from my Ipsy Plus. This is one of the moisturizing cream that I was thinking of buying before. However, the price is crazy. It's $48. And they consider this as the super cream when it comes to moisturization. I'm so happy I got this in my box. This one here is developed with plastic surgeons. Confidence in a cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. Music to my ear. This one is perfect for all skin type, even the most sensitive one. This one here is a quick absorbing a super cream. So if you're looking for an anti-aging cream, especially if you're like my age, I am there. I need some boost on my skin. I'm looking forward to use this as part of my evening and morning routine. Okay, next off, we have the Becca Ultimate Lipstick, and this one here is retail for $24. This is the first time that I got lipstick from Becca. I have the highlighter and I have the, what do you call this, primer and a foundation, but never have. This is my first lipstick from Becca. It's so creamy actually. I'm using it right now. And we have the shade Sorbet. Next up, we have the Morphe 15 shade Artistry palette. You know, I love Morphe. I love their brushes. I love their mink lashes. I love everything Morphe. This is combination of 15 shimmer and matte color. These are more neutral, cool, and warm tone. I love how versatile this palette is. This one here retail for $16. Next, we have the Deborah Lipman O'Donnell and Modern Nail Polish. So this one here is, I think this is the travel size. It's so cute. I used them on my nail today. I used these two shades. Modern Love is on my left hand and the O'Donnell is on my right hand. I love the formula. It's very quick drying, I should say, and it's very pigmented. So this one retails for $20. So last but not the least, we got this makeup bag from Boxy, and this is their train case. This is very ideal when you travel. You put everything inside. I love the color and I love the logo from Boxycharm, and I love how it goes well with all your makeups. So this one retails for $20. And that's it for our March 2019 Boxyluxe unboxing. If you're considering subscribing to Boxycharm, I'm going to put all the links in the description down below. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the day. I will see you on my next video. Thank you and I love you guys.